Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install apps on any smart TV without downloader. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, you just have to open up your internet browser and go to google.com, whether you're on your mobile device or computer or laptop device. Just search for APK files website. So here you can just click on the first link. This is a trusted website. Make sure you are going to a trusted website. So here you can find official APK files, which are basically which is basically the extension for Android applications. So all the smart TVs run Android. So here you can download any application of your choice. For example, I'll just search for Netflix, and here it's going to show me Netflix. So I'm just going to download it from here. You can just download it from here, and you just have to put it on your USB drive, and then you have to plug it in your smart TV, and you can just install it like any other app. And this is how you install apps on any smart TV without downloader. So if you found this video to be helpful guys, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.